In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up Spotify music alarms in the Google Clock app. So what you want to do is open up the Google Clock app and make sure that you are on your alarms. Now go into one of your existing alarms or make a new alarm. I'm going to go in here and on the ringtone part of it, I'm going to select it and you'll see two options in front of you. You've got YouTube Music and Spotify. All you have to do is tap on Spotify and then hit the search icon and now just search for a song that you want to set as your clock alarm. Go ahead and select it, and all you have to do is hit the back button on your phone to go back onto the main screen, and that will automatically set that as your alarm. So I'm just going to do this again for my other alarms. So click on Spotify, search for the song. Just make sure you are also signed into Spotify on your phone, and that's all you have to do. Hope you guys enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Until next time, thank you for watching. Peace.